Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoho Projects for client project tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type zoho.com/projects and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the sign up button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will see several options for signing up, including using your email address or Google account. Choose your preferred sign-up method. If you decide to use your email, enter a valid email address in the appropriate field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the next field. After filling out your details, click on the Sign Up button to create your account. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Zoho Projects. Open the email and click on the verification link included in it. Once verified, return to the Zoho Projects website. You will be prompted to fill out some basic information about your business. Provide details such as your company name and what type of projects you will manage. Next, select your preferred Zoho Projects plan. There may be free trial options available, so review them carefully. After selecting a plan, click on the Continue button. You will be directed to a dashboard where you can create your first project. Click on the Create Project button to start the process. Fill in the necessary details for your new project, such as the project name and description. Set a start and end date for the project to better manage timelines. Once you have entered all the information, click on the Create button. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Zoho Projects and created your first project. Explore the various features available to track tasks, collaborate with team members, and monitor project progress. Consider customizing your project settings to suit your workflow. Familiarize yourself with the interface to maximize your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.